Welcome to another house tour. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Makamot, Binangonan, Rizal. If you are looking for a premium finished house, let me tour you inside the duplex unit here in Easton Park. Let's go! So dito sa harap, makikita nyo po, you have a small pocket garden. And ang maganda pa sa property na to, meron kayong 2-car port dito sa harap. And then, dito sa gilid, you still have extra lot. Pwede po for your garden or access to your kitchen. Now, let's go inside the unit. Pagpasok mo sa unit, maliwalas ang bahay. This will be your living area. And dito, pakita po natin, we have powder room sa baba. So kapag may bisita kayo, hindi na kailangan umakyat sa taas kasi meron na silang powder room here. At ang maganda pa pong feature ng bahay na to is you have lanai right here. Ayan. Okay, let's go to your dining area. You have a spacious dining area here. And dito po is your kitchen area. Ayan. Now, let's go inside the first bedroom. This one, sa baba is your maid's room. And meron na din po itong sariling toilet and bath. Ayan. Para sa taas. So, dito po sa taas, we have 3 bedrooms. So, pakita natin yung mga bedrooms dito sa taas. And you also have one common toilet and bath. This one is the first bedroom. This can be your kids' room or guest room. Then, dito po sa gitna is your common toilet and bath. Fully finished na din po upon turnover. Then, the next one is your second bedroom. Ayan. Dito pwede po kayo maglagay ng PC setup nyo or working station if you are working from home. Then, lastly, let's move on to the master's bedroom. Ayan. Maganda po yung master's bedroom. You can put here your king or queen size bed. At ang maganda pa dito sa master's bedroom, you have your own toilet and bath. Right here. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. So if you are looking for house and lot located here in Binangonan, Rizal, feel free to send me a message. Thank you and see you on my next video.